Do you believe in manifesting? Well, stick around because that's what this video is about. Hi, my name is ERIKA Morales and I'm a certified Silva Method instructor, and I have about 40 years experience using the Silva Method tools and techniques. For more content like this, please be sure to like and subscribe. So the other day, I was hanging out with my younger cousin and she was telling me how she believes in manifesting and how she had manifested an apartment and all sorts of different things. And I was like, wow, that is so amazing and awesome. Good job. And just cheering her along. But that got me to thinking. I was like, manifesting doesn't work based on your belief in it. So you don't have to believe in manifesting in order to manifest your life. We are always manifesting our life, regardless if you believe in it or not. Because that is who we are as human beings. We're co-creators of our lives, right? We are constantly manifesting our lives. When you manifest, it doesn't happen immediately, but, or usually, it doesn't usually happen immediately. Sometimes it can, but typically it happens over time, right? And the question isn't whether you're manifesting or not. The question is, are you doing it consciously? Or are you doing it, is it just happening by accident, right? Regardless, you're manifesting because that is who we are. So the question actually becomes more about how do you manifest? How are you manifesting things in your life? Especially if you're not aware of the fact that you're manifesting always, then how are you doing it if you're not aware of it? And the answer is simple. You manifest through your thoughts, your words, and your actions, right? So once you take hold of that, then you are more consciously manifesting your life. So I love what José Silva said. He said, the most important discovery or amazing discovery you'll ever make in your life is the power of your own mind. I'll let that sink in a little bit. Maybe I'll repeat it again. The most important discovery you'll ever make is the power of your own mind. And you know what's funny is that we're not taught how to use our minds, right? Unless you use the Silva Method. But if you don't, then we just go along with it in our lives, and maybe we'll stumble upon different tools and techniques that work, but generally most people aren't taught this. We're not taught how to use our mind so that we can harness that power and create a life that we love consciously and with awareness, right? How do you do that with your thoughts? Those thoughts that you're having on a habitual basis are on repeat. So most of the thoughts that you think or you're thinking today are thoughts that you thought yesterday and the day before that and the day before that. So I would suggest perhaps journaling and becoming aware of the thoughts that you're having. Just jot them down, set the intention, I am going to pay attention, and then just carry a little notebook and a pen. I'm going to pay attention to every thought that I have, and then just jot it down. Yes, it takes time, but I think it's well worth your effort so that you can see what it is that you're manifesting or what is going to manifest in your life, right? We'll just look at the thoughts that you're having now. Also, words. Words are super duper powerful. What are you saying? If you're wanting to manifest a job and you catch yourself saying, oh, job market's slow. There aren't any jobs out there. Nobody wants the skills that I have. Well, what is the likelihood that you're going to manifest a job if those are the words that you're using on a habitual basis, right? So being conscious and aware of that, and then always, always, always take action, right? You've got to take action. In order to make things happen in this world, you have got to take action. So again, manifesting, sometimes people do it by accident because they don't realize what the process is for manifesting. In the Silva Method, when you take my 4-day Silva Life and Intuition System immersion, I teach you José Silva's method. all of the foundational principles and values that make the tools work. Those are foundational. And in addition to that, I'll teach you the formula. It's just a step by step process. This is what you need to do in order to manifest your deepest desires, your dream life, whatever it is that you'd like to manifest. You follow the formula and you will get the results. So if you're interested in knowing when my next Silva Life and Intuition System seminar is, just click the link in the comment section below, and that'll take you straight to my webpage. And there on several pages, I have posted my next Silva Life and Intuition System immersion. I look forward to seeing you and having you in one of them.